in your salad, or even in your clean eating plan. Around till the end, because number 1 on this list might already be in your fridge. And the 4 healing vegetables I'll share, they could make all the difference, even if you don't know your kidneys are in trouble. Let's talk about the 6 so-called healthy vegetables that might be silently harming your kidneys, and the 4 that could actually help you heal. Real story, Margaret's wake-up call. Margaret was 67. She thought she was doing everything right. She didn't eat red meat, she skipped soda, and every morning started with a green smoothie, packed with raw spinach, beet juice, and chia seeds. But one day, Margaret landed in the emergency room, diagnosed with stage 3 kidney disease. No pain, no symptoms, just a little fatigue. And kidneys that were quietly shutting down. And then her doctor said something that would change her life. It wasn't your bad habits that caused this. It was your good habits, done the wrong way. Detox, why you might not know your kidneys are failing. Here's the scary part. You can lose up to 90% of your kidney function before you feel anything serious. A little swelling in your ankles, waking up groggy even after 8 hours of sleep, feeling just a bit off, but blaming it on age, that might not be age, that could be your kidneys waving a red flag. In fact, new research from Yahoo 2025 Hallmark confirms a hidden overload of all potassium and oxalates from healthy foods is one of the leading causes of early kidney damage, especially in adults over 40. Let's break down the 6 vegetables that might be quietly hurting your kidneys. 6 vegetables that could be harming your kidneys. 1. Tomato products. Fresh tomatoes, fine in moderation. But tomato sauce, paste, ketchup, even tomato juice, they're potassium bombs. Just 1 cup of tomato sauce can contain over 1,100 milligrams of potassium. Chapaye. That's half your daily limit in one meal. Too much potassium, it can trigger hyperkalemia, leading to irregular heartbeat and in some cases, sudden heart failure. Want a safer swap? Use roasted red bell pepper puree instead. Barbies. 2. Potatoes, white and sweet. A medium baked potato, around 950 milligrams of potassium. Sweet potatoes, even higher. In one 2025 case, a woman ate sweet potato casserole, mashed potatoes, and fries in a single day. Hours later, she was in the ER, heart racing, kidneys overloaded. Use the leaching method. Slice, soak for hours, and then boil. This removes up to 70% of the potassium. Nabriage. 3. Beets and beet juice. Beets are praised for circulation, but they're loaded with potassium and oxalates. Oxalates? They form sharp crystals in your kidneys. That means stones, tissue damage, or worse. One man drank beet juice every day for 3 weeks. By week 4, he had oxalate nephropathy and severely impaired kidney function. Love beets? Roast them occasionally. Skip the juicing. Dobrishir. 4. Rhubarb. Looks harmless in pies, but rhubarb is one of the highest oxalate vegetables ever studied. Just 1 cup contains over 1,000 milligrams of oxalates. That's enough to cause stones or even sudden kidney failure in vulnerable people. Experts now advise, avoid rhubarb completely if you have any kidney concerns. Dobrishir. 5. Swiss chard. Swiss chard? High in potassium and sky-high in oxalates. Even when boiled, it remains risky. In 2025, the National Renal Association added it to their official kidney caution list. Want greens? Opt for steamed kale or green cabbage instead. Dobrigaksh. 6. Raw spinach. And finally, number 1. This shocks everyone. Raw spinach. Yes, the green smoothie staple. It's one of the highest oxalate foods on the planet. Just 2 cups. That's 2,000 milligrams of oxalates. enough to scar your kidneys if consumed regularly. In fact, in 2025, doctors identified a new condition. Just 2 cups, that's 2,000 milligrams of oxalates, enough to scar your kidneys if consumed regularly. In fact, in 2025, doctors identified a new condition, green smoothie syndrome. It's caused by daily overuse of raw spinach, leading to kidney stones and early-stage kidney failure. Best move? Steam your spinach or swap it out entirely. 4 healing vegetables that support kidney health. Now the good news. Here are 4 vegetables that are not only safe, they're proven to support and even protect your kidneys. 1. Cauliflower, low in potassium, low in phosphorus, and low in sodium. Cauliflower is anti-inflammatory, gentle, and versatile. In 2025 research, cauliflower helped reduce inflammation markers in CKD patients by 18% in just 12 weeks. Mash it, rice it, roast it. 2. Red bell peppers, colorful, crunchy, and kidney-friendly. Low in potassium, but high in vitamins A, C, and lycopene, an antioxidant that protects delicate kidney tissues. Eat them raw, roasted, or blended into a low-potassium pasta sauce. 3. Garlic. Garlic is more than flavor. It's medicine. Crush it, let it rest. And it forms allicin, a natural anti-inflammatory that helps improve blood flow and lower pressure on your kidneys. And, bonus, garlic has virtually no potassium or phosphorus. 4. Cabbage. Simple, but powerful. Cabbage is low in both potassium and oxalates. And it activates your NRF2 pathway, which is the body's natural detox system. A 2025 study linked cabbage intake with better kidney filtration scores in just a few months. Steam it, stir-fry it, eat it raw in slaws. It's cheap, easy, and healing. The truth about detox in 2025. Let's set the record straight. You don't need detox teas, or cleanses, or miracle pills. Your kidneys are the detox system. They don't need cleansing. They need you to stop overloading them and start supporting them with the right foods. That's what Margaret did. She dropped the spinach smoothies, swapped tomato sauce for red pepper puree, and made garlic cauliflower mash a weekly thing. 6 months later, her kidney numbers stabilized, her energy returned, and she avoided dialysis. So now I ask you, which food are you removing today? And which healing veggie are you adding? Drop a comment below. Your story might help someone else. And hey, if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Because every week we're diving into health-backed ways to live better, naturally. Until next time, support your kidneys, protect your health, and eat smart.